Hey, what's going on, everybody? This your boy James from What's Your Forte, and today I'm going to be installing the BMW floating center caps, and also I'm going to be installing the M Sport valve stems on my 435. All right, let's get it. Okay, everyone, so you may be asking, why am I installing the floating center caps? Well, they're self-leveling center caps, and also the M Sport's valve stems. So there's two reasons. One, I think aesthetically it's gonna make the car look better. Also want to blame my friend Eric Grand Tour because I seen it on his car and I was like, man, that looks pretty good, so let me go ahead and see about getting some of those. Shout out to Ian at Turner Motorsports for getting them sent over to me, so I can go ahead and install them on 435. And also the second reason, I'm gonna show y'all right here. So as you can see right there, my center cap is gone. So when I was driving the other day, I happened to go outside and look, and I was like, man, my center cap's missing. I don't know if it got popped off, somebody stole it, you know, somebody made it into a chain. You know, I used to steal the little emblems back in the day and make it into chains or wear it as jewelry. So I don't know, somebody walking around with a BMW chain on their neck, I guess. I don't know. But so I'm gonna go ahead and install it on one wheel, take some pictures, y'all see a before and after, and we're gonna get to it. All right. All right, everyone, so first let's check out the packaging. Let's check out the floating center caps here. As you can see here, it's kind of moving right there, shifting, doing what it's doing. Came in some very nice packaging, got some German up there, and also lets you know it's original BMW accessories. Got them sent, got it right there. So pretty nice box, and lets you kind of see how it floats and how it self levels right in the box, so you can kind of know exactly what you're getting. Then let's go to the valve stem. The tire valve stems, as you can see there, it's got the M showing right there, and these are the black ones. They also, you can get them in silver as well. I got black wheels, so I figured black would make more sense, so pick these up as well. These were pretty cheap. I think these were like $9-10 bucks. And then the floating center caps, you can get them on Amazon, or you can also get them from another distributor, or you can get them from a dealer. I got mine from Turner Motorsports, so I'll put the link down below where I got mine from. But they were like 75 bucks, I believe. So pretty, I mean, it's not the most expensive thing in the world. If you just want the regular center caps, I think they end up running like 20 bucks. But I wanted to try these self-leveling ones. One, because boom, look at that. Spin that thing like those old spinners they used to have back in the day. So I think it's pretty cool. So and then also for the OCD people out there, they always want their BMW upright where you can read it the correct way. So definitely it's for those people as well. So let's go ahead and get to the install. All right, everyone, so as you see here, I'm down on the ground. So what I'm going to use to take the center cap off is this plastic trim tool piece right here. I got a plastic trim tool kit. I recommend you using plastic so you don't scratch up your wheels. Don't use any like wrenches or flat heads or anything like that, because you might scratch your wheels up. So use a plastic trim tool piece, you'll be able to come right off. So I'm just gonna stick this right here underneath one edge of it, and then just kind of, you'll see it kind of start popping off, and then boom, just pops right out. So I'll show you that zoomed in just so y'all can see that. I'll put it back on and I'll zoom in with the camera so y'all can see exactly what it looks like. All right. All right, so now that I got that center cap off, I'm gonna go ahead and install the floating caps. As you can kind of see right there, you get 4 in the box. So go ahead and put those on. All right. So before I put those caps on, I just want to kind of show you what they look like. So boom, you can kind of see it there. It self levels. You can spin it back, and you see it's still leveling. So that's pretty cool that they do that. They have this leveling mechanism on the back of it there, so you can kind of see right there kind of what's causing that device to do that. So pretty cool design, pretty slick design. I hope these don't fall off like my other ones did or pop off. So let's go ahead and put this on. Pretty simple, just get it lined up and boom. gonna do a test. Look at that, it's like magic. All right, next I'm gonna go ahead and install the valve stem caps there. So go ahead and install these. So I'm just gonna pop this open. Let's see. Looks like we got 4 there, 4 tires. So you'll need 4, which is cool. So let's go ahead and take off the old one. Pretty simple. Everybody should know how to take off a valve stem. So I'm not gonna give you a full detail on that. But take that one off, put this one back on. Boom. That's it. Looks like we in business. So I'll go ahead and do a quick little B-roll shot so y'all can kind of see what it looked like before and what it looks like now. All right. All right, everyone, so as you can see, my neighbor's dog won't let me be great, keeps barking, but I'm gonna go ahead and finish out this video. We just installed the center caps, the valve stems. I'm not gonna show you every individual wheel. It's the same process for every wheel, so it's kind of redundant to show that. But yeah, man, I think it looks good, looks a lot better. It's just it's those little small details that make the biggest differences in your car. And there's things that people notice when you go to car shows, car meets, people like, hey, I see that, they notice that. So it's those little small things that can make a big difference, man. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. It's a little quick video, just showing you little updates. I got some more content coming real soon. A lot of fire content coming, man. So if y'all like this video, please like it. If you dislike it, dislike it. Subscribe, comment down below, and I'll holler at y'all later. Peace.